The digital landscape is evolving. Is your website keeping pace? Or is it a relic of the past? Welcome to Site Nova. Outdated systems are a bottleneck. Our AI-driven automation replaces friction with flow, giving your business a seamless backend and an unfair advantage. We don't just build websites, we create ecosystems. From robust backends to dynamic applications, Site Nova ensures your infrastructure is fast and future-proof. We turn casual visitors into loyal customers. By integrating custom AI features, we create intelligent interfaces that adapt to your users in real time. Stop wasting time on manual effort. Our custom-coded scripts unify your disparate platforms, creating a seamless, high-speed workflow that lets you focus on what truly matters: growth. Your business is built to grow. Your digital infrastructure should be too. We engineer scalable, rock-solid architecture, fortified with enterprise-grade security. The digital frontier belongs to the fast, the smart, and the bold. Don't just adapt to the future, command it.
Visit sitenova.dev.